Hello guys, welcome back to another video from my channel. In this video I will provide you this tweak can improve your gaming experience and play 60 FPS locked without lagging and FPS drop. This is the new updated magick tweaks created by banglevv. This tweaks can improve your Android performance game 60 FPS. Lock without root, best for low-end performance phones. Okay, let's start this video.
Download link in the description or pin comment. Just follow me what I do.
Let me delete this preview tweaks off magick tweaks. Then move into internal storage, then follow me.
natin yan. Mapunta tayo sa school. Guys, ano to? 6
Enjoy your Tongits time!
Hello guys, I have something important to tell you. Tongits Go is gearing up to celebrate a phenomenal 5 years of gaming excellence. Don't miss out on this amazing milestone. Download the game now and bask in the glory of our anniversary celebrations. Let's dive into the heartwarming comments. From our dedicated Tongits Go players on our Facebook post, they've been with us on this incredible journey, and their experiences will surely inspire you to enjoy the fun. Looking for the perfect way to relax and unwind? Tongits Go is your answer. Enjoy the thrill of the game and the excitement of winning moments. By playing Tongits Go, you have the chance to win prizes such as free loads, so ducks so pauses, smartphones, and even kitchenware. You might be the next lucky winner. The download link is right there in the description section, so why wait? Download Tongits Go today and unlock a world of anniversary benefits. Join the celebration, enjoy the games, and win big with Tongits Go.